changed. Do not judge yourself. What motivates you? Sometimes we may feel a lack of motivation, something we feel we must do, or perhaps even want to do, but that we can't seem to find the energy for. Observe this feeling of not being motivated with compassion. It's okay to feel unmotivated from time to time, so do not be too hard on yourself. Though this is unwanted behavior, it happens to even the best of us. So now, breathing and sinking just a little bit deeper into the depths of your own mind, know this, that if you are willing to show up, you are willing to be transformed by whatever it is you are doing for the better. Simply showing up is enough to be a catalyst for success. Just sitting down in front of whatever it is you know you must do, but have the lack of motivation towards, is the beginning of powerful motivation. That is enough. The act of doing is where the bliss is hidden. When you proceed in doing, the bliss is revealed to you as a reward. So see yourself doing something you may have been previously unmotivated to do. Now see yourself unlocking the happiness of accomplishment along the way. All tasks, however large or small, contain within them the ability to produce a state of flow. Being in a nice flow is considered an optimal state of being. Flowing produces motivation.